Hello guys, again we are back again with another unboxing review of this Parkside Pry bar set of 4 inside, and the Crowbar set of 2. 2 components handle with a protective cap. Length is approximately 200 millimeters, 300 millimeters, 450 millimeters and 600 millimeters. For removing nails, floorboards and for general demolition work, forget from hexagon steel. Length is approximately 600 and 900 millimeters. Hex shaft is 60 millimeters and 18 millimeters. Well, let's see. We can see some pictures and let's see what we have inside. Okay. There it is. The bigger one. Oh, you can see how they looks in here. Some protective for the packaging. The same here. You can see how they look. On the other side. Well, you can see you've got a nice grip, soft. That is very helpful with the 4 tools. Well guys, that was all about these Parkside sets. If you need something like that for demolition, for constructions, definitely something that you need to consider to buy. They cost 12 euros. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.